Cuties, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see uppercase and lowercase alphabets. So let's start. A, capital letter A, small letter A. B, capital letter B, small letter B. Capital letter C, small letter C. Capital D, small d. E, capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. Capital H, small h. Capital I, small I. Capital J, small j. Capital K, small k. Capital L, small l. Capital M, small m. Capital N, small n. Capital O, small o. Capital P, small p. Capital Q, small q. Capital R, small r. Capital S, small s. Capital T, small t. Capital U, small u. Capital V, small v. Capital W, small w. Capital X, small x. Capital Y, small y. Capital Z, small z. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.